afternoon. This afternoon we are going to talk with you about the world economy. We haven't got much time, so we start right now.
Good afternoon. Today we have some people around the world to tell us about the news of economy. We are going to connect with Maria, and she's going to tell us about government and unions get wealthy. Hi Maria.
Hello, Laura. I am in Moncloa. Minister Fatima Bañas has concluded a round of meeting with the government, labor union and Miami, and she finished up yesterday in Moncloa with Prime Minister Rajoy. 2 months away from elections in Europe, the executive is looking to get this picture. Spain announcing social alliance and image of dialogue and social harmony does wonders for our election campaign. But why did labor unions and Miami want to be in the photo? They know good and well how they are being used by the Prime Minister. Maybe they are involved in effort about training reform. They don't want to lose a tool that they have used from many years to France. Their operation, a radical change to the system cloud in this reverend system, which is just the change they are trying to prevent.
Bye-bye. And now we connect with Mary and she is going to tell us power bill change could help Spanish citizens. Hi Mary.
Hi girls. The productivity of heavy industry in Spain has gone from 20% of national GDP to merely 12%. The Association of Major Energy Use Companies. The Spanish acronym is AEGE. Anocheis, El Economista issued a message yesterday that in order to boost competition in the power sector, it will be necessary to make power bills predictable and create a clear sense of how the industry is organized, as in France or Germany. The problem is that power bills, which include additional charges for the island and tariff premiums on renewable energy, end up taxing production, cutting core salaries within the industry, which has driven power exports, so being accompanied by an effort to streamline the billing process so that sales to foreign countries can help support the domestic energy market. Bye!
Hello, Maria is in the bank. She wants to tell a very interesting thing of it. Hi Maria!
Hi Maria, the financial sector under problem have not been fixed after restructuring across the industry in 2020. But there are still some lost ends to the TU, and more public money will be needed. Credit cooperatives have been neglected in the bank valued but now they will be included in effort to clean up the sector because their business has dropped and loan defaults have risen. Struggling credit cooperatives are not major in suicide. Their main market share is small and expensive for customers. They operate in a small geographic zone, increasing uncertainty in sectors suggests that some of the banks that already receive value from the will need even more to clean up their balances, particularly the banks that they will nationality. Some banks might forecast that will not estimate a boost revenue option with which they are going to have to raise capital levels. and have to take un step because of sharp order eviction cases. The news is that the government held banks, taxpayers and institutions who lend helping and a hand for the last value want to debate anymore to help Spanish banks. Independent of the cause involved, we are expected to be seen. The first symptoms that the new round of AI is necessary is that there will some serious miscalculation of who to use public money to rescue the banks the first time around. It seems obvious that the 14 billion euros that went to clean up the world saving banks will not enough. More capital will definitely solve the problems, and finding it will eliminate a more road plan to recovery. Bye bye, girls.
Now, Noelia is going to tell something about regional governments carving up secret deals. Hi, Noelia!
Good afternoon. Even though they are hiding it, the Ministry of Finance and the Catalan Government Economic Council are holding meetings aimed at increasing the region deficit objective beyond 1.2% for 2013. Must collect want the objective between 1.8% and 2%, but Montoro is leaning toward 1.5%. Madrid leader Ignacio González reiterated his disapproval yesterday to the difficult objective change, and other regions backed his view. The involvement of national deficit objectives so every region should be treated the same. He said, the Ministry of Finance is one if it believes that it can kill Catalonia sovereign effort by cutting a deficit there for the region. Others have used this scheme of low political maneuvering with short-lived results and the latter consequence. Will the same happen here? Bye!
Finally, we are going to connect with Laura. She's going to tell us something about the pension system. Hi, Laura!
Hi Maria, I have a thing to tell you. The Social Security prospectus, the latest report, do not make sense in the system continues to exist. The planner of experts who built the report suggests putting a cap on a Social Security contribution on and retirement checks. The justification in non-pension should correlate highly with salary that workers can during their lifetime. To make that happen, the subject created a tax called Impuesto sobre Nóminas, a kind of wage tax that finance ministry could be as political bargaining tool. This would entail a radical change to excite social protection in Spain. It looks more like a system where current contributions assure future benefits. In the latest report, Social Security contribution become a tax that would spread to the personal income tax. These taxes are not set in stone like others, such as paying retirement, pension, or unemployer taxes. The government is responsible for deciding how to divvy up Social Security revenues. Its report needs the max retirement check amount, €2,554 per month in 2014, which made the system unsustainable. Experts who created the largest report could have explained more clearly
that the proposal aims to kill the existing social security system.
This is one of many options. Although senseless, it's not as easy as they say to transition from one system to another. The policymakers forgetting that people who pay social security for years earn the right to receive benefits when they retire. The impact on society this will have. We are not even seeing proposals to create an alternative system where people create their own private plans.
Bye bye!
Okay, this was all. We hope that you enjoy it. See you soon!
Bye!
Good afternoon. Cállate, ir de ahí porque me estoy poniendo nerviosa. Good afternoon. Even though they are heading the Ministry of France and the Catholic Government Economic Council are holding meeting events and the Catholic Es que no veo.
Celebrates and Sophia. Laura and Hello, Laura. I am in the club.
¿Cuándo se ha parado?
Which make the system unsustainable.
Sustainable.
2005 in 2004. Its report needs demand retirement check amount
From 2000.
20% bill change code. And now we connect with Mary.